Today we're looking at the behind the scenes for my latest custom design. This piece is pretty special because the person who commissioned this necklace is both Indian and Jamaican. And I actually love those cultures a lot for different reasons. So he wanted the colors of green, yellow, and black to represent his Jamaican heritage, and then the Om symbol to represent his Indian and Hindu heritage. The Om symbol, if you're not familiar, is representative of like a state of peace, and it's a sacred sound that you can make to bring your body into a balanced state of consciousness and also groundedness. I love creating pieces that are intentional because the process is very spiritual for me. This one actually took me a few days to create, spread out, because I've been working on a lot of things at once, but it brought out new layers of creativity for me. I've never combined two pieces in this way. I have done pieces that involve like beadwork and have this circular medallion type of look, but to sketch out a actual symbol and place it inside of a design was something that was new for me, and it was really fun. Another cool thing that I was able to do was record this process in different ways. I know I wanted to create it like short form, like this reel that we're watching today, but I also filmed the live making of this piece on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in seeing the actual live slowed down process of making this piece, head over to my YouTube channel so you can check out those live streams. All in all, to display the character of the Hindu art, I decided to just use all the different types of weave and patterns that came to mind and embed them in the symbol itself. I could have took it a different route, but I feel like the Hindu symbol, I feel like the Hindu culture is very elaborate, and it has a lot of feminine energy to it, a lot of expressive, creative, artistic, spiritual energy in Hinduism itself. I know there's also a lot of deities that are represented by different parts that can connect to our human body and just life in different levels. So that's why I layered it the way that I did. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this piece. I appreciate Raj again for having me make it and for having a tremendous amount of patience with me. From start to finish, it was a very fun process. I encourage you guys again to head over to YouTube to see how I did it, how I broke down the different steps of the pieces with sketching, actually creating the design, and then using different chemicals to oxidize the piece and then polishing it and beyond. Thank you guys for watching.